All right, guys, we're going to look at how to find point-slope form of an equation. Okay, so point-slope form of an equation, of a linear equation, is y minus y1 equals m, and then x minus x1. So again, y minus y1 equals m, and then x minus x1. We already know what the m is. The m is our slope. Okay, that stays consistent all the way through linear equations. The m is the slope. Okay, it's how something changes from point to point. Okay, your rise over your run, okay, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so sometimes the slope is just given to you, and sometimes we're going to have to find the slope. Okay, and then we're going to look at our x1 and y1. You can see that in red. That's the point. So we're going to write an equation given a point and a slope, and then we're going to put it in this form. Okay, so that's one order pair on the line. So any order pair on the line, we can write it in point slope form. So x1, comma, y1. Okay, so here's an example. Which equation represents a line that passes through negative 8, 2, and has a slope of negative 3/4? Okay, so again, step one is going to be to write the formula. Y minus y1 equals m, in parentheses, x minus x1. Okay, so step two, we're going to label the point. That's very important here. So negative 8, 2, that's my x1 and my y1. That's my first x and my first y. Okay, so then we're going to plug in the point and the slope. So just be careful how you plug it in, especially when you have your signs. That's the most important part. So we're going to go y, or we're going to put the slope in first. So negative 3/4 instead of the m. Okay, and then we'll put in the x1. So instead of x1, we're going to put in negative 8. Okay, and then instead of y1, we're going to put in 2. Right? So now that we did that, we're going to simplify that. So y minus 2 equals negative 3/4, and then x, negative times a negative gives you a positive 8.